What's going on, y'all? Welcome to episode 1 of the day trading series. The overall account growth was 9.6 today, and let me explain how I did this. So, I seen the support and resistance lines on NBY this morning, and I was trying to get in at 1.22 because I thought that was pretty safe, but I grew impatient and I jumped in at 1.31, and I held it for like 2 to 3 minutes. And I saw a bunch of sell orders popping up because Robinhood had just opened, and I decided to sell for like no gain, no loss. I was lucky I didn't lose, and this was a pretty bad trade today, but luckily I didn't lose anything on it. Um, oh, and I also sold a little bit below where it was the ask was, just so I could get out of the stock really quick, really quick. So let me show you what happened after I sold out. This is what the level 2 looked like. It was going to drop all the way back down to 1.21-ish area to its previous support line, which is what I was trying to get in at 1.22, which is why I put that here. So let's see. Let's go into the next one I played. So MICT was a big runner today. It ran up like 2 to 300% very early, and then it died down. The main thing that attracted me to the stock was the incredible amount of value that was in it. So I put in a buy order at 6.33, and it filled at 6.28. So let's see which one. Yeah, it was around this area. I mean, I don't have exact level 2 data. I just took a few screenshots for you guys because I was trading on my phone today. So I got in there and I auto set my sell limit at 6.9, because if we look at this level 2 data, well, this one you're not, it would be, I would probably set it around 6.55 if I was doing it off this level 2. Let's see if this one had it. No, at the time the level 2 was looking like it could run to 6.9. So as I watched it for about 10 minutes, I revised my sell order to sell for 6.49 just to get out of it really quick for a profit, and it filled at 6.55. I was watching again as the stock went up and down, looking at level 2 for support and resistance, and you can see here there was a pretty decent sized support at 6.35, and there was also another 2 small walls here that if this one was broken, I could rely on that one. So I put in a buy order for 6.35, and it filled at 6.35. I put in a sell order just right above the previous sell. So that's basically a dip. That's basically a spike that dipped down. I bought the dip, and it spiked right back up to where it was. So I played the same formula twice. Once I was able to sell there, the price continued to go up, and they formed another support line around 6.8. So I bought in 1 cent above that, and then I was able to sell for I put in a 6.87, but I sold for 6.9. This was probably the weakest trade that I had, these two, and it was because I was running out of time, and I was going to do another one, but I had to get to college, so I just canceled the buy order. But for being short on time today, I did okay. 9.6% one day is okay. And then there was level 2 I want to show you. Let's see, not that one first. This one. No, this one first. Okay, I'm dumb. So there was Ford very early in the morning that I was watching, and they had some news about some kind of COVID light testing or some crap like that. I'm not really sure. And there was a ton of buy-in orders. So there was 2 big support lines right here, and I was like, okay, this might be a good play, and I'm gonna watch it for a little while before I buy in, because I was also discouraged by the amount of sell orders. Well, after a little while of watching it and deciding not to play it, it started to tank. So I was really happy with that. Looking at this level 2 in retrospect, though, I would, based on how it how they demolish these supports, I would watch this drop all the way to 2.13 and see how price action is fluctuating. Usually if there's such a drastic drop, you can buy in a few cents above this and make a quick return off of it, because you got to remember, these sell orders, these people are moving their sell orders because they know they aren't going to get filled, so it kind of disrupts them a little bit. Let's run over to this. I wanted to show you the MICT graph just so you see what this actually looks like in a visual representation. MICT. I have it on the 1 minute, and I was trading, let's double check. Go to performance. I think that was it. Yeah, so this even shows you I didn't make any money off NBY, but all of those plays netted me my 9% today. And really all you need is to catch one stock and play it multiple times. Usually that's either the top runner or the most volume. So let's see, where is it? Nope. Where am I? Account orders. There we go. Okay. I don't like really cutting this because I want it to be short, and we kind of converse about this, so it feels more like community driven. So let's see, what times was I doing this? Around 9:30. So let's go over here at 9:30. Let's look for 9:30, which is over here. Okay, let's look at price action over here. All right, so 9:30, I bought in around this area and sold for a 2 to 30% jump on this candle. So I timed that decently. And then you can see the wicks here. So they're going up, but what you don't see on a completed candle is while the price action is live, this is going down, down, down. But the wicks just show that after the candle's completed, that it went above that. It's kind of hard to explain, but most people know what wicks mean. So I bought in basically at the bottom of this wick, and then I just kept buying and selling, buying and selling. It's really easy as timing a dip, looking at level 2, looking at the graphs, and then selling high. So that's basically what I did today. And yeah. So first episode, 9.6%. The previous episode was and we're just not gonna count it because this is the first episode, but the introduction to the series, I made 1.55%, but I wasn't seriously trading, and it could have been a 22% if I was on my money like I was today. So yeah, hopefully this is a quick episode and you guys enjoyed it. Thanks.